Jinan Goodcut Cnc Machinery Company Limited. Supply CNC router, fiber laser cutting machine, welding machine, cleaning machine, marking machine, CO2 laser machine, plasma cutting machine, wood lathe machine, 3D scanner. We have dozens of research and development patents and certificate. Machine's quality is best. We are looking for agent from all over the world. Please contact us. We also welcome terminal customers. The meaning of good cut, brand, good quality, good price, good service, good quality. First, 25 engineers with more than 10 years rich working experience. Manufacture high-precision machines. Second, 3-day 72-hour testing machine inspection. After confirming that the machine has no any quality problems, then it will be shipped. Third, 4 QC staffs do strict evaluations on incoming inspections, in-process inspections, final machine inspections. Good price. First, manufactures about 200 sets of machines per month with a large sales volume. We have long-term cooperation with parts suppliers, can get advantageous prices of parts, so that the price of machine is very competitive. Second, Goodcut aims to develop long-term cooperation with each new and regular customers, and to give customers the best prices with the most sincere attitude. Good service. First, all machines with warranty, free parts replace, repair, maintaining. Second, English manual and video for machine using and maintaining, explaining the operation steps in detail. Third, professional after-sales service staffs, providing 24-hour online service. Provide free technical training and factory field operation teaching to eliminate customer worries.